Don't know how to find the perfect spot for maximizing the ad performance? Hi, welcome to eProlo Academy, your go-to resource for mastering e-commerce. In today's video, we're going to explore how to optimize your Amazon advertising by analyzing and adjusting your ad placement strategy. We'll walk through the characteristics of different ad placements, bidding strategies, and actionable tips on how to boost your performance across the most critical ad positions: top of search, rest of search, and product page placements. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Understanding ad placement is crucial to controlling your campaign performance and cost effectiveness. Different ad placements generate different levels of exposure, click-through rate, conversion rate, and advertising cost of sales, or ACoS. By analyzing these metrics within the same time frame, you can allocate your ad budget more scientifically. Now let's break down the characteristics of the three major ad placements on Amazon. Start with the top of search placement. It typically offers the highest exposure and the highest click-through and conversion rates. However, this prime position also comes with intense competition and high costs. Simply put, it's a premium spot for brands who want maximum visibility and can afford higher bids. Then the rest of search placements. It provides moderate exposure with decent click-through and conversion rates. The ACoS here is usually lower than that of top of search, making it a more cost-effective position for campaigns focused on profitability and steady growth. Lastly, product page placements offer high exposure as well, but they tend to deliver lower click-through and conversion rates. These placements often appear on competitor product pages, and although they generate large volumes of impressions, the buying intent is often weaker. As a result, ACoS for this position typically falls somewhere in the middle. Now that we understand the strengths and weaknesses of each ad placement, let's talk about bidding strategies, one of the key levers to optimize your placement and performance. First, for top of search. One of the most direct methods is to raise your bids specifically for this position. You can increase your top of search bid adjustment by 20 to 30% compared to other placements. This can significantly increase your chance of securing that top position. Another approach involves using a low base bid with dynamic bidding adjustments. If you pair a low bid with dynamic bidding, especially up and down adjustments, you may still appear in top of search, although usually in the lower part of the page. Alternatively, combining a low bid with a down-only setting will likely reduce your chance of reaching top of search, but may get you into lower cost placements like product pages. Third, consider targeting low competition keywords, specifically long-tail keywords or related ASINs. These keywords are less competitive and offer a higher chance of winning top of search placement without aggressive bidding. This method reduces the risk of wasting budget on highly contested, expensive terms. Lastly, verify your position manually. Use incognito mode and multiple accounts to search your target keywords and see if your product appears on the first page. Using your report to understand how much visibility you're actually getting and where you need to adjust. Next, let's talk about rest of search placements. Here, your first strategy is to allow the ad system to dynamically adjust based on performance. Use either bid increases or decreases depending on how the keywords perform. Amazon's algorithm will allocate impressions based on conversion potential, which can increase efficiency. Your second option is more conservative. Only decrease your bid. This is ideal when your ad is showing frequently on product pages, but not converting. By gradually reducing your bid, Amazon will lower your cost per click and allocate fewer impressions to poorly converting traffic. Now, let's look at how to optimize for product page placements. Start by directly increasing your base bid by 20 to 30%. This simple method can improve your chances of landing on competitor product pages or related listings. For more precise control, lower your keyword bid and pair it with a high product page bid adjustment. You can set the adjustment anywhere between 100 to 900%. This tactic gives your ads a stronger chance of appearing on product detail pages while keeping your keyword level bid manageable. It's especially effective for multivariant or accessory type products where showing up next to related items can increase cross-sell opportunities. This strategy is best suited when your advertising goal is to enhance product interconnection or drive traffic between complementary items. Statistically, product page placements often offer better CVR and ICOS performance when handled correctly. Let's now look at decision-making models to guide your bid adjustments more intelligently. Start by comparing the conversion rate from top of search to your product listing's overall conversion rate. If the top of search CR is higher, you should keep the placement and maintain your bidding strategy. If it's roughly equal, you can consider maintaining the position and increasing investment in that keyword. However, if the top of search CR is lower than your listing CR, it may indicate the wrong keyword targeting. In that case, you can consider changing the targeting keywords. If you found the keyword is correct, then you may need to lower the bid and optimize the overall listing. After everything comes perfect, then increase your bid again to reduce wasted spend. You can also base your decisions on traffic cost efficiency. Compare the cost per order from ad traffic with your overall listing's cost per order. If your ad traffic cost is higher, reduce your bid or pause the keyword. If it's equal, maintain your budget. If it's lower, increase your budget to scale up traffic from profitable sources. By combining conversion rate comparison with traffic cost efficiency, you gain a powerful framework for deciding when to scale, cut, or shift your ad budget across different placements. In summary, optimizing your ad placement strategy is not about spending more, it's about spending smarter. By understanding the data patterns of each placement, adjusting your bidding tactics accordingly, and continually evaluating performance, you can gain better visibility, higher conversions, and more efficient ad spend. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Amazon advertising tips.